This video is a brief overview of CommScope's Propel product line and what's included in each panel box. Packaging is designed to be lightweight, compact, and recyclable, using low to no dust materials, which is critical for data center environments. Included with each panel is a quick start guide and the necessary accessories, including mounting screws, front patch cord managers for the sliding trays, and vertical cable guides to be installed on the rack if needed. Remove protective tape from the front door. Now your panel is ready to be installed. The Propel product line includes 1U, 2U, and 4U panels, ultra-low loss modules, and adapter packs in 8, 12, 16, and 24 fiber configurations. Density is 144 fibers per rack unit with LC connectors and 288 fibers per rack unit with SN connectors. For more information, visit commscope.com/propel.